Welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Using with Goldy. Guys, in today's episode, I'm going to talk about very important topic. If you get selected on a cruise ship as a waiter, buffet steward, galley steward, or there are so many other names also, what exactly the work you're going to do? So I recently went on a cruise ship, on a Cordilla cruise ship, so I have made a video and which I want to share it with you. So please, before going on a cruise ship as a waiter, galley steward, buffet steward, whatever you call, please watch this video till the end, so at least you will have an idea what is your job profile and what work you're going to do. So this is not the 100% I would say, but at least in the operation hours like breakfast, lunch, dinner, this is what you're going to do. So I don't want to waste more time and I want to begin with this video. So what I say, let's start this video. It's awesome. Well guys, once you get selected on board, this is what you're going to do if you are selected as a galley steward or a buffet steward. You can see this trolley. You need to fill up this trolley with the dirty plates and take it to the dishwashing, clean it. Dishwasher will clean it, no worries, but you need to take it. Now you can see the tea counter and all there. You keep on running here and there, looking after the guest, bringing the empty plates, dirty plates, keeping in a tray, you can see in this video. And now you can also need to stack up things like a tea, coffee machines, the tea bags and all that properly. It should be always proper, and you need to bring and put it in a tray. You can see this as this guy is doing. Let me see what he does the next. Now he is taking this tray full of dirty glasses to the dishwashing. You need to pick it from all the tables, and this is the dishwashing sec. And that another one is cleaning the floor. You can see cleaning the floor, sanitizing the tables. All right, you can see now he's going somewhere else to sanitize. Very hardworking guy. Now he has emptied that glass one. Now he is taking all the plates, dirty plates. You can see that. Now if you get selected, this is the same thing even you are going to do, nothing else. Now what he is going to do, you can check. He's going to take all the dirty plates, put it in a tray, and need to take it to the dishwashing sector. See, so guys, please be focused. Now this is the line. Now what is the line where we take food from? Now this is also your responsibility if you're working as a buffet steward and all that, to look after the line, keep refilling the food like this guy is doing. You can see nicely, slowly he's doing, so the quality should be maintained. It should look attractive also. Now this is the daytime. After breakfast, after lunch, now you need to clean everything. Now for example, he is brooming the floor, so if you get selected, even you need to broom the floors. Now napkins, these guys are making the napkin ready. Now let's see what all they are doing. Now this is the section where all the glasses are stacked. Now he is bringing all the teacups, glasses and everything, putting properly, getting ready for the lunch time, because this was a breakfast time. So he's just telling me this, all the glasses I need to bring, clean it, wipe it and put it on the table. Now this girl is cleaning the glass. Now you remember I was talking about the line. Now this is the line wherein you have to broom, mop, everything you need to do. So every time the lunch, breakfast, dinner is over, this is the daily routine you will follow if you are working as a buffet steward. Now this guy has bought the glasses. He's putting in the glasses near the water ice cooler, so once a guest start coming, so they will find the glasses, they will not ask for. Now he's cleaning the chairs and everything. You need to make sure that nothing, no breadcrumbs, nothing is on the floor, on the table, on the chairs. Now you can see the tray also. And another guy is roaming around with the mop. you are the person who's responsible for the mob also. There will be no other person. All right, now they are doing a mop. And by the way, there's such a lovely view you can see on the right hand side, the sea view. Now this is the toaster machine, where you need to clean the toaster machine as well every day. Now it's not like once in a week. No, it will be every day. Oh, this girl looked tired, I'm so sorry, but this is what. Now these guys are cleaning the line and they are so happy, you can see. This is the beauty of the ship, though there is so much work, you will still be smiling, happy, and enjoying the works. You can see that. So everything you need to clean, polish. Now they are polishing the glass. Now this is a 3 bucket system. I'm sure once you have worked in any hospitality, 3 bucket system, like you need to dry, you need to sanitize and everything, and then you take this bucket to the dishwasher, pour the water, and make the room clean, tidy for the next round. You can enjoy such a beautiful view.